Hello everyone, today's video about order of operation. Before we see what is the order of operation, let's see one example and try to understand why it is important. So example 4, 10 plus 6 times 2. If this question is given different student, if they don't know what is the order of operation, every student might have a different answer. What would be the two possible answers from this expression? Some students say, okay, let's do first addition. So 10 plus 6 equal 16 and 16 times 2 is a 32. So some students say, okay, 32 answer. And some students say, okay, let's do first multiplication and then addition. So 6 times 2 they do first. So 6 times 2 12 and 12 plus 10 equal to 22. Here if you notice, both answer, while we getting both answer, we do the correctly calculation, right? There is no any mistake in a calculation, but still same expression we getting the two different answer. Why? Because here we using the different order of operation. That's why the two different answer we got from the one same question. Which one is correct? I tell you that second one is correct. 22 is the correct answer, because here in this, while doing calculation here we use the correct order of operation. Let's see what is the order of operation. So you might heard that BODMAS, right? What is the BODMAS? I tell you, BODMAS. Okay. First letter B. B stand for the bracket. Okay. So you have to first solve the brackets. Okay. Whenever you given like this expression, you have to solve first the brackets. After that, O stand for the power or indices. Somewhere instead of writing the BODMAS, somewhere you can see the BODMAS. Okay. So O stand for indices and O stand for the operation, and both are same meaning. Okay. So indices and the operation. Indices means operation. Okay. If you are not sure, I tell you. If we says the x to the power of 2, x to the power of 3, x to the power of 10, this is the power. Also we call the indices. Okay. So if you either use the I or O, the same meaning. Okay. D stand for the division. So first we solve the brackets if there is, then indices, then we have to solve the division. After division, we solve the multiplication. Okay, and after multiplication, we have to solve the additions. And last, subtraction. Okay, so this is the order. If we have in an expression, if we have a brackets, we have to solve first. If we don't have, then check. Is there any indices? Yes, then solve it. If don't, then move on for the division. If you get the division, solve the division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay. Let's see here one example. If I says, let's say 10 take away 3 in a bracket 6 times 3 divide by 9. Bracket close, divide by 9. Okay. If we are given like this expression, what we do first? You see here we have, let me do here small changes here. I says the 3 to the power of 2. Okay. So here I have a bracket first, right? So I will solve inside the bracket whatever the operation inside. Okay. Instead of this add multiplication, if I is given here addition, still I have to solve bracket first. Okay. Whatever group inside the bracket we have to solve first. So whatever the things rest of instead of this bracket, I will solve them first. Okay. So I just copy them as it is and solve the bracket first. So 6 plus 3 equal to 9, divide by 9. Okay. Here, if I want to remove this bracket, I can remove now because here only 9. But what would be the sign here? Because nothing is given here. So here is nothing given, means there is the invisible multiplication sign. So we can put it here multiplication. If any number and bracket between them no sign, means they bond with the multiplication. Okay, you can assume like that. So this is the invisible multiplication sign. Okay, we finish the bracket. Okay, after bracket what comes? Indices, power, right? And it is the here, so we have to solve that first. So 10 take away 3 square means what? 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 what? 9, right? And rest of thing we copy as it is, times 9 divide by 9. Okay, now after indices we have to solve the division. So here 9 divided by 9 we have to solve first. So 10 take away 9, I copy that things first as it is, and multiplication sign also. And now I do the 9 divided by 9, which is a 1. So here is a 1. After that I have to do multiplication. So yes, here is a multiplication. So 9 times 1, which is a 9. So 10 take away 9, and last 10 take away 9 equal to 1. So this is the answer 1. Okay, see here we follow the order. I hope you understand. But inside this bracket is a addition, and addition comes second last. But still I solve the first. Why? Because inside it is the addition is inside the bracket. That's why I have to solve bracket first. Okay, doesn't matter whatever sign inside, but something in a bracket, then we have to solve it first. I hope you like this one and understand this topic. Please like and share my video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.